lovelies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and I've got a fun little unboxing for you today. Now hold up, if you've been watching my channel for the last few years, you may be used to me unboxing accessories and handbags, and I definitely have a passion for those items, but I would like to expand my channel, if you will, to include some other content. And this particular video is sort of the inaugural video of this new direction. I will continue to talk about handbags and accessories on my channel as well, but I am not only passionate about accessories, I'm also passionate about books.
What's this?
So the unboxing I have for you today relates to this sort of new book group that I've joined, and this is their first shipment. I'm going to tell you a little bit about that in this video. So if you're interested in that content, I would love for you to subscribe and follow me. And if you are used to my other content, I'd love to hear in the comments what you think about this new direction. So I'm going to be unboxing this for you and telling you why I decided to join this book club. So the book club that I got this shipment from today is the Book of the Month Club. And actually I already opened this box because I tried recording this video earlier, but my phone ran out of juice. So I have taken a peek inside, but I just got this box, so it is an almost true unboxing. And I decided to order from this group because I love reading, very passionate about reading. I'm a high school English teacher, and I've been a lifelong reader, and I love watching booktube videos as much as handbag unboxing videos. And I thought I would, engage in that conversation as well. So I will be doing some unboxings from this particular book club and some reviews and talking a little bit more about my reading life along with my handbag life. So the Book of the Month Club, as far as I understand, again, I'm new to them, they are a group, a book club that's been around for several decades, and I'll put on the screen exactly when they started. And what they do now is that they have a curated collection, and so members may order at least one book from their curated collection to read that month, and then it sort of a new collection emerges every month. And the idea is there are a lot of books out there. It's kind of cool to have someone preview the material and suggest books in different genres. And then you can choose one of those to read. And so this is the first book, and I got this particular book with a promo code for $5. And I don't have any promo codes from Book of the Month. I don't work with them at all. I'd love to work with them, but I don't at all. I'm just really new to them. But I did get this purchase that way. And then right away, I signed up for a year-long membership, which means I'll have access to at least one book per month. One of the cool features about being a member with Book of the Month is that you can pause your membership at any time, and they also have audiobooks. So I think you can access your book like I have here as a hardback or via audio, and I love audiobooks too. So I'm curious to see what my journey is going to be like being a member of this group. So let's get to the unboxing, and let me tell you a little bit about what inspired me to join this particular group at this point in time. So here we go. I love, by the way, the packaging, this bright blue, cobalt blue color, and there is their logo, Book of the Month. And what does that say on the inside? Fiction forward. I like that a lot. I definitely want to be fiction forward. And they have a little pamphlet here with, I think, a little bit more information about their story and kind of their philosophy or mission. So I'm going to take a look at that later on. I'm just going to put that aside for now. And here is the book that I ordered. Ta-da! And inside here, I think I may have already put this, I'm going to place this aside. May have already placed it. Oh yeah, I placed it in the book. This also was in the box with the pamphlet, which is their Book of the Month bookmark, which I love that. Hold that plot, it says on the back. That's very cute. I'll definitely use that bookmark with this hardback book. So Middle of the Night, a novel by Riley Sager. I've only read one other Riley Sager book, which is The House Across the Lake. This is kind of a mystery thriller, and I love crime and detective fiction, so I went with their book suggestion on this. And The House Across the Lake was also a really, really good book. I really enjoyed reading that thriller, and it had a couple of twists in there that I didn't expect. So I'm curious to see what happens with this book and reading more with this author. So why did I decide to order a hardback book? I mean, they look so nice. Look at the green neon font here. It's just a beautiful art piece in itself. But hardback books do take up more space than paperback books. They might be less portable, harder to carry in certain bags, and they can be heavier compared to a paperback or a Kindle book, right? So I, over the years have not really gravitated towards reading hardback books. If I'm being honest, I would definitely purchase the paperback if I had the option. And then I've also enjoyed reading on the Kindle. So why the change? Why did I sign up for a year-long membership with them? Well, let me explain. So I have been reading on my Kindle, and here's my Kindle right here. I love, this is the signature edition. This is great. I'll do a review on this as well. But sometimes I get tired of reading on screens or just being on screens. And although the Kindle screen is much better for the eyes than other kinds of iPhone or iPad screens, I still sometimes just want to have a space where I'm not really engaging digitally and I can be on paper or have hobbies that are off screen. So I will continue to read on my Kindle, but I also like the idea of maybe reading at least one book a month that is a paper book, where I'm getting away from the screen. And the reason why I decided hardback might be good is because I happened to pick up this book this month, One of Us is Lying. This is a YA mystery thriller by Karen McManus. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And like I said, I teach high school. A number of my students have read this one and recommended this one. A number of my colleagues have read it and said it's like an amazing book. I really love this. This is, again, a murder mystery, and it's told from the perspective of 4 different characters. And I'm close to the end, so I will maybe do a review on this once I'm done with it. But this is a great read. It's been a page turner, and I have to say I have really enjoyed the hardback and have really grown fond of it through my experience reading this book. And there are a couple of reasons for that. One is that the font is pretty big. Like when you read a paperback book, the font can be small a lot of times. And for my aging, middle-aged eyes, I've realized how comfortable it feels to read this way. And secondly, the sort of light that I have attached to this, which I don't just use at night. In fact, I use this during the day to illuminate the page. And this is a great book light. This clips on much better with the hardback than the paperback. And I've tried all kinds of, night lights, even smaller ones and things that would be more user-friendly for paperback. I just think with the hardback, it's not been an issue at all. And holding the book hasn't been an issue. In fact, I've been able to lie down and read the hardback as well. I prefer kind of sitting on a couch and, reading that way. But I really have enjoyed this book and the reading experience. So I'm going to try out this Book of the Month Club for a year, see how it goes, and I will keep you posted on what I'm reading and review that as well. But I can't wait to finish that book and then dive into this one. It looks amazing. And it's just so fun, especially during the summer when teachers get a little downtime to re-engage with reading in the early morning hours, which I don't always have time to do. But I will still continue to talk about my love for luxury. As you can see, my Speedy Bee 25 and the monogram print is right there. And I'd like to see what actually fits inside this bag with my books. It's very easy to carry the Kindle around. But I'm curious to see how my reading life is going to evolve between paperbacks, hardbacks, audiobooks, and Kindle books. And I can't wait to talk all about that on this channel. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my unboxing today and indulging this new direction that I'd like to take my channel in as well. Please like and subscribe and leave any thoughts below. I love hearing from you and I do my best to respond to every comment. Have an awesome week and thanks for watching.